Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M13 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer. Tap on the contact you'd like to edit and tap on this info icon. Now let's simply tap on this camera icon in this circle almost right in the middle. And here, as you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either tap on the camera, and thanks to this your device will open the camera app, obviously. And thanks to this you will be able to catch a photo of him or her. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you. Or we can pick the photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. Of course, give all the permissions if you're doing it for the very first time. And here all we have to do is to simply tap on the photo we'd like to use. So I'll pick this one, and here from this tab we can adjust the position of this highlighted circle in the square, and we can change the size of it. We can zoom in or out the photo also, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, as this area is responsible for it. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on done. As you can see, it will be immediately applied, so remember to tap on save. And here we've got our contact. After getting back, you can see it on the contact list, and also whilst all incoming calls from that number, for example. So actually this is it. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy M13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.